This is yam. I am
harvesting.
I am harvesting. No, I don't chop alone. No,
Okay.
no only chop it. See my mommy here. You understand? So we are in the farm harvesting. This is yam. Liban. You see, my mommy say they call him Oshe. You will know if I have dialect, if you know the thing. I don't know how I go take interpreter for English. My mother said that Oshe. You for like. Makatsineko, what went that? Look at that. You can see. Spanner is working hard because this is what we call food. This thing you can produce food from here, so you don't need to be doing all these things. If you don't work, you don't go chop. Or how you know work, you don't go chop. For this life, you need to be very hard working and all these things. That's why I like my village, because we dey cultivate, we dey vet cut, we dey oh God. Hey. The mama and the pikin. So I'm born only one pikin. Hey, something. Yeah. Let me go to and I don't tire. So what happen this? Farming work no be small thing, no. I swear.
You don't chop food this morning.
I dey craze. My mama say if I know there's no food. Mama say if I know this
So after you na food you go chop.
if you see the kind of food I could keep, I have to work hard so that I go enjoy the food. Nkashi. For Abakaliki Nkashi. That but you now my meaning. So English people na go browse.